Welcome to the channel. This is Trent from TP Surveillance. And in today's little quick video, I'll be showing you how to install the Reolink client app on your desktop or your laptop computer. To me, this is the best way to do all your settings and other features that you want to see on a bigger screen than you don't have on your phone. And what I like about Reolink is the same things you can do on the phone, you can also do it with the computer. So all the settings are almost the same. So if you watch any of my other videos on showing you how to set up different recordings and all that, you can do the same thing on your desktop or laptop at the same time. So what you want to do is, since I got it saved, but you can just type in Reolink and you can click on official site. And once you get here, you will go to where it says support. Go down to where it says download center, app and client. Click on it. And once you get here, depending on you using Mac or Windows, it would automatically highlight the one that you need to download. But of course, if you're on Mac, you can click on the Mac one. But since I'm on Windows, I will click the download for Windows. And we'll let that download. Okay, it's finished. So now we want to open it. And now it's asking you about the installation. Anyone who uses this computer, whatever you want to do here is fine. But for me, I'm just going to say only for me, because I'm the only one that mess with the system. Now you just install it. Okay, after it finish installing, to complete setup, you just hit finish. Once you hit finish, that blue icon is marked says run Reolink. Once you hit finish, it should start the application. And so we can get out of this. And as you can see up here, the Reolink client app is already installed. So now we're just waiting on it to load up. All right, it's loaded up. Terms and service I have read. If you want to read that, you can go ahead. All right, so we are in the app. Let me make it large screen. So we are in the app. So basically, this feed is, since we're at home, it automatically picked up all my cameras. So it's just like the way I showed you on the phone when you have that add device automatically. So whenever time you add a camera or a hub, it's going to automatically pop up. So as you can see up here, I have porch, house, bathroom, kids, etc. And like I said, it's just like the mobile app. I do not have my cameras connected to the NVR. I have my cameras connected to a PoE switch. And the NVR is connected to the PoE switch also. So even though I don't have the cameras hooked to directly into the NVR, I still have all the cameras tied to the NVR, which gives it 24/7 recording, just like it was plugged in. So that's why you see the different names of the cameras, because those are just the single cameras by themselves. But if I click on Perkins' house, That is my MVR. And so now it just asks me to put my password in. So once I put my password in, all my cameras should come up. Okay, and so now we got the camera showing. And now everything else that you want to do, you can click on this icon right here. And it'll take you to all those settings that you can do. So for instance, I can select either any camera that I want to select, go to. If I need to change the stream, I can go into here and do that. Smart detections, I can change if it has a spotlight. I can change the spotlight or whatever else I need to do. So basically, what you can do on your mobile phone, you can do it here also. If we go to network, it shows my network. It shows that I'm connected, so I can go in here. All right, so we are in the live view of the back camera that I like using, and pretty much I will make another video on going through some more of the settings. Maybe you probably couldn't see them too well on the mobile phone, so I'm sure you can see them pretty good on the desktop mode. So for instance, like I said, at the top, just some quick, we can hit playback. And right here at the bottom, you have these icons. The first one is motion. The next one is for person. Then you have vehicle. Then that just, or you can just click this just to choose one. So let's see if we had anybody in the backyard today. We have one down here. So that's my son getting ready to take the trash out. And so that's pretty much it. If y'all would like, I will do another video on the settings, on how to change settings on here. But this was just a quick video just how to get it on your desktop, on your laptop. So thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and as this channel grows, we will get into more depth into more cameras and other systems also. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.